welcome back to Ghost Dogs of Moon Lake. So funny story. It had been a while since I've recorded, and I actually filmed, like, basically a whole episode a couple days ago, or maybe I think a week ago now. And, you know, John bought this new microphone, I had new recording software, it was all great, I filmed the whole thing, I got done, I went to go edit it, and I realized I didn't wear my earbuds for the episode, which means all the audio was doubled, and there wasn't really a simple way to fix that, which means that I had to basically start a new game and then just speed run throughout all of Nancy Drew up to the point where I was at. I think that worked out better though, because in the episode that I did, since it had been so long, I didn't remember what I was doing, so the first like 10 or 13 minutes was just spent me like figuring out what I was doing. But now since I'm all caught up, I know exactly what I'm doing, so let's load in this. Let's do this, okay? So we talked to Viv. She said that she was going to send us the key to the tombstone, and then we got like Ranger Akers mad at us. And then he immediately apologized, because that's hilarious. Also, I don't know, I talked to Bez and George about the arsenic in the well. I don't remember if I already did that in an episode or not, but I mean, they know. I'll probably want to talk to them again. So, yeah. Let's get going. Let's go talk to the Birdman.
How's the bird watching coming along?
Mickey Malone supposedly buried a bunch of stolen gold bars on his property way back in the 20s. Did you know that?
Really? That's interesting. I don't much care, but it's interesting.
Just does not care.
So you don't know anything about it?
Nope.
I just can't seem to find a red-tailed hawk. Any suggestions?
Well, there's gotta be lots around here. You haven't been going around wearing sunglasses and earmuffs, have you?
You caught me.
No, Red, I haven't.
Well, according to my bird map, they like to nest in the big tree that's just to the southwest of the Malone house. I suggest you park yourself nearby and wait. Bound to spot one sooner or later.
See you in a while.
Just remember, eyes open, mouth shut.
Thank you, Sensei. The funny thing is, when I was speedrunning, I basically did the full thing this morning, and the two quests that took me forever on my YouTube game, like the game that I've been playing, like the bird quest and the bug quest, like, I finished immediately, because of course when no one's watching, I'm a master.
Well, I don't see any hawks, but this is probably the tree Red was talking about. At least it was the tree. That sounded like a hawk.
Hawks say Kiar.
There it is. I better get a picture before it takes off.
My camera. There it is. Wow. So realistic.
Hey, what is that hawk standing on? Oh, that looks like a speaker.
Uh-oh.
Huh? I better get out of here.
Oh no, realistic hands.
My arms and legs are tied. I can't move. At least I can kick. If I could just get that scythe down, I could use the blade to cut the rope around my wrists and free my hands.
Alright, let's see if we can survive this episode. Yeah, when I played this in the other episode, I died the first time, because I forgot.
I can't just let this thing burn up. I've got to put it out.
Yeah. Yes.
What in blazes happened? I saw the fire from my platform and came running. You weren't in there playing with matches, were you?
Got
I was
me
looking
again.
at birds, and then I noticed something on the house, and the next thing I knew, I was locked in the tool shed and somebody was setting it on fire.
Whoa, you're not making much sense. Probably smoke inhalation or something. Come talk to me after you've cleaned yourself up and gotten some sleep. I need to tell you something.
Somebody tried to kill you?
I didn't say that.
Somebody knocked you out, locked you in a shed, set it on fire, and you think they were, what, just pulling a prank? Wake up and smell the hostile vibes, Nancy.
She's got
I
a
guess
point.
it's just hard for me to believe that anybody would consider me to be that big a threat.
I should have never let you stay there by yourself.
Sally, I'm fine. I feel bad about your tool shed, though.
Who cares about the shed? It was full of junk anyway. I'm glad to be rid of it.
That's kind of the way Ranger Akers saw it, too. He showed up right after the birdwatcher did and ticketed me for burning refuse in a manner that endangered park property.
That man is insufferable.
Emily was nice, though. She came by right afterwards and wouldn't leave until I drank the tea she made for me.
Look, Nancy, one more time. If you want to leave, just say the word and I'll come get you.
Sally, one more time. I'm fine.
Well, then promise me you'll be careful, okay?
I promise. I'll be in touch.
You better.
Oh, Sally. If she was a true friend, she would stop asking and just come get me. Alright. I can tell by the music it's daytime, so let's go talk to Birdman. He really was like, I was just like, well, someone knocked me out and put me in a shed. He's like, whoa, that doesn't make any sense. What, really? How does that not make sense? Probably smoke inhalation or something.
Hello there. I owe you an apology. After you came up here looking for those red tails, I gave my map a closer look and realized it was more than 50 years old. Reason you can't find them is probably because their favorite nesting tree is gone. Finding that hawk's gonna be harder than I thought, so why don't you just give me back my camera and I'll take it from here? It didn't get burned up in that fire or anything, did it?
You could probably have seen that stump from your watch over here, so that's completely on you.
You'll be happy to know that I did get a picture of a red-tailed hawk. So here's your camera back. I got all the birds.
Thank you, Nancy. Nice work. You're a credit to your generation.
I get that a lot.
I never noticed those gas cans before.
I ran out of gas. So much for being prepared, huh? Well, that's all I wanted to tell you. I'm sure you've got places to go, things to see, people to pester.
See you in a while.
Watch yourself out there.
You run out of gas cans while you were setting my shed on fire? Don't trust you. Right. Oh, no. Oh. Wait, can we go look at the shed?
It's probably not safe to go in there.
Why? Because everything's burned? How did I fix that with just one bucket of water, too?
A package just arrived for you from Las Vegas.
Shock and awe.
Great. Vivian sent me the key.
I'll dispose of the package. Wouldn't want to break any littering laws, would we?
Thanks for all your help.
That's why I'm here.
Yogi. Okay, so we got the key. Got the living tombstone key. Oh. I'll play this game a million times and I won't have the sharp memory that I did as a kid that allowed me to just run through this whole thing super fast. Alright. And I already know. Save right here real quick because we gotta make her die again. Let's see what's down here.
It's too dark. I need a flashlight.
Oh, I got one right here.
Oh, the batteries are going dead. I can't see a thing. I'd better go back.
Now we're fine. Let's go.
Ah!
Oh, rip.
Oh, the batteries are going dead. I can't see a thing. I'd better go back.
Gotta... Okay. This is where I die accidentally because... Oh. Awesome. Okay. We didn't die a second time. Let's go get some batteries. The wrong way again. Creepy music right now. Alright, let's go.
Nice Junior Park Ranger pin. You must really be on Acres' good side.
Don't get jealous.
I found an old newspaper in Sally's house that contained an article on Mickey Malone. It really got my curiosity going. What else can you tell me about him?
Person you should talk to is Jeff Acres. He's got this historical museum thing going out at that ranger station of his.
Pardon if I go through conversations that have already been done before.
Do you know anything about the gold that Mickey Malone supposedly buried somewhere on his property?
All I got to say about it is, if there really was a bunch of gold buried somewhere and nobody ever found it, it's for darn sure nobody ever will. Not with them dogs up there.
Not with them dogs up there.
I need flashlight batteries. Do you carry them?
Yep. But you know, I've been meaning to make a pretty
Here we
display
go.
out of them packs of combo coal over there for the longest time. Just can't seem to get around to it.
In other words, you'd like me to give it a shot.
Here's the way it should look when you're done.
The smiling fish. Give it to me. This one was actually kind of fun. So, watch me fail at it. Okay. We need all the ones over here. That's good. That's good.
Ta-da! One smiling goldfish. It's obviously never tried combo cola.
Is it nasty or something? Those cans look kind of nice.
Hey, Nancy, this mean you got them cans stacked?
You bet. They look just like the picture you gave me, which you can have back.
Here's your
I don't want
batteries.
this.
And thanks, Nancy.
Love the ASMR sounds with Nancy. Alright, let's go down into that tombstone. Okay. Hey, I didn't go the wrong way this time. Do I have to do this every time? I forgot about that. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, good. We're good. We're good. Get my flash.
It's silly to try to explore this in the dark.
Yeah, Nancy, that's why we have a flashlight. That's the hole I died in. Okay, let's go this way.
Uh-oh.
Eeny, meeny, miny, you! Okay. Okay. Nice. First try.
So this is the speakeasy. Wow.
Okay, calm down, Nancy.
If map is correct, the tree where Vitus would bark at the hawks used to be right about here.
Vitus. Xander. He was roasted. Where's that guy? Doggy.
Ah, he's so cute.
Okay, agree. How do I get over there? Let me over there? Okay. Doggy. A noble dog. Lucy. Why isn't she gonna be like, oh, Lucy's over here?
Those must be the spigots William Akers mentioned in his journal.
Did he mention spigots in this journal? Wouldn't know. Never read it.
Ugh, the spigot won't move.
Oh, that's too
There
bad.
must be a way to unlock these spigots.
There must be a way. Oh wait, what's that? Doggy. I wonder with some of these pictures how much of these were animated and how much of these were like actually taken. Because some of them look kind of realistic. Okay, so let's pull this so we can have easy access to that. Nice. Okay, we'll call that a day. Maybe we'll go look at the journal and actually look about the spigots. Oh wait, no, we have to do that. Okay, I know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna cut this episode short because my episodes get kind of long sometimes. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys later.